Burnham Park na. We've checked out and we're going to walk papuntang the cathedral. I'm ready for the New Year's Eve.
Let's go make some noise.
Make a partner na si
Baby T.
Baby T. Ay, hindi ko. Ang bigat. Pila. This hole in the wall Rose Cafe is very famous. And there's pila. Maybe another time.
Kasi lunchtime.
Yeah. What's your order?
Sausage.
Ay, we don't have sausage.
Anong meron?
Meron sa amin, beef patty,
Patty. Good lang.
Hindi mali. Tapos na nag-breakfast na din kami. Na dinadaanan namin, pupunta kami kay Rose Cafe habang Oo. So lakad-lakad kami. Tapos parang may gagawin sana. Sabi ko magpagupit siya kasi for New Year's. Oo. Tapos sabi namin, oh, merong do not block daw. Sabi namin.
Parehas din tayo. Ganun din yun ako.
Hindi ko kayo taga rito. Taga rito. Pero ngayon yun lang na-discover ko. 4 times na. Well, kasi sanay na kayo dyan. Kami giniginaw kami. Oh, yun nag-12. Pero kagabi malamig. Kaninang umaga pag-isip namin.
Ang habi din init na.
Pwede ba? Hindi siya pwede tumayo. Look. Sabi ko iihawin na yata kaya ganyan yung mouth niya. Ano sabi mo?
Kaya nga si Andox din na ganyan ang tsura niya. Andox chicken. The color is, what do you call this? Parong-parong.
Ay, poor chicken! We just had breakfast at the hotel. But since this is the offering here, we're going to eat breakfast again. Diba? Rice, hamonado, and pepino. Authentic Baguio pepino, I suppose. And tomato. It's a windy day. Citylight Hotel. That's where we're staying today and tomorrow night. Kumain na natin to. Right? It's not the best. But you know naman, us, we're really budget travelers. So pwede na to. And at least this one has a full length mirror. The more expensive one did not have. So not bad. And yeah, medyo mas cramped ito. So our unit is B322. B3 means we're at the basement. And like I was saying on my other vlog, now I was enjoying the view because this one has only maybe a fake because it's a wall. Not really a wall. Yeah, it's a wall. It's a corridor facing a wall of the other building. Okay. I thought it was going to be like when the studios and ATPT distance. It was shorter, no? Pagbaba namin from the Diocese of Baguio or the Cathedral, biglang ito na. Not bad. Ang daming tao sa taas, ang daming check in. So we're now here at Ili-Likha and it says there are 9 food stalls and 4 specialty shops. So before we nest into one of them, maybe we shop around. We're back to street level.
But it's the other side.
Yeah. We're inside the theater in Ili-Likha, and you're looking at the audience side where the seats are made of wood. It's may mosaic dyan. And this is the stage part. It looks a little bit different, but I guess this is the Cordillera fusion style of theater. This is their side entrance. So parang pinakatelon. So I guess there are days that they watch movies here also. Ah, the balcony up there. Diba? What can they do?
Look at all around you, tell me what you see. Just how can you imagine of life without a tree? The heavens above us make trees for us to see the truth of how important these trees will ever be. And now that I can tell you how it feels so sad to see these lovely trees disappear, it's just too bad.
Bravo! Bravo!
Have pomodoro. Yes. Tapos pomodoro. Okay.
No? I brought one.
Strawberry soda. Ano to?
Pop beans.
Pop bing?
Pop beans.
Pop
Pop
beans.
beans.
Diba? Pop the magic dragon. Thank you.
When you say that,
Thank you. Ano nga yung order natin? Slab. Alright. Oh my God. I'm so excited.
sarap. Tikman mo lang. Kuha kayo sa meron siyang kakaibang ano. Sarap na. Anong tawag mo sa ganyan? Smoke.
Tinapang bacon. We were hoping to catch the night market, but they're not yet set up. It's around 8:36, and we were informed that around 8:45 or so they will close the traffic. So these merchants can start setting up, and around 9 o'clock, sabay-sabay na magbubuka. Sabay-sabay. Thank you. Asan po yung atin? 60 pesos. My favorite. Andito tayo sa overpass along the highway where they hold the Baguio night market because we want to see gaano karami. Because for a while, diba nakaupo kami sa baba and there were people saying na, uy, may build up, tara, punta na tayo, ganyan-ganyan. Eh, yung papunta sa build up, maluwag pa dati. Eh, ngayon, sa tapat namin, yung papunta sa build up, mukhang build up na din. So, sabi ko kay TTT, uwi na kami. Pero, hindi kami dadaan sa, sa night market. Otherwise, build up, diba? Ayan, build up kung build up. Diba? My galay! We're back in Assumption Road. Nasa tapat kami ng McDonald's and eating hot fudge. Dito lang kami sa labas. Kasi sa takeout namin binili to. Wala naman yatang pila. But syempre, we're not always in Baguio, so we want to eat the hot fudge outside along Assumption Road. Literally along Assumption Road. And because we're vlogging.
Because the cold doesn't bother us anyway.
Well, it's not 12 degrees. Hot fudge lang. Gina-vlog na. Eh, sa naga-hot fudge kami sa Assumption Road. Nag-order kami ng french fries. Tawa ng just a 15 seconds left. And now, ginagita akong french fries. I hope it's our french fries. around 11 something ng gabi. Nasa tapat kami ng the patria of Baguio. Baguio! We'll end our December 30 vlog. Enjoy the night there. And I hope you'll enjoy today's vlog as well. Bye-bye!
Happy Rizal Day!
Happy Rizal Day, and tomorrow's New Year's Eve, and we're still spending it in Baguio. Bye-bye!